Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a demo of GatherTown, a virtual office that actually feels like a game. Yeah, if you've ever wanted remote work to be more fun and interactive, this tool turns standard online meetings into a playful, immersive experience because, honestly, walking around a digital office with avatars makes collaboration way more engaging than traditional video calls. So first, you create your space. Uh, GatherTown lets you design rooms, desks, lounges, and even meeting areas. You can customize the environment with colors, objects, and interactive spots to fit your team's style or the event theme. Next, avatars and movement. Yeah, each participant gets an avatar that moves around the space, and conversations happen automatically when avatars get close, making interactions feel spontaneous and natural, just like in a physical office or casual networking event. After that, collaboration tools. Uh, you can share screens, use whiteboards, embed videos, and even set up games or info booths, which makes brainstorming, workshops, or social events much more engaging than a standard Zoom call. Also, social and casual interactions. Yeah, this gamified environment encourages informal chats and casual meetups, which helps build team culture and connections, even if your team is fully remote. And yeah, performance. So, while it's more demanding than simple video calls, modern computers and browsers handle it smoothly, and the immersive experience usually outweighs any minor technical requirements. Finally, the verdict. Most of the time, GatherTown works best for teams or communities that want a virtual office or event space with a game-like feel, blending productivity with fun and engagement. Hope this demo helps, and I'll see you in the next one.